Hello Trisha. Hello viewers. Today we'll be discussing about what? World Test Championship final one more time in this
Orko,
brand
one
new.
second. Orko, 1 second.
What
Did you
happened?
speak to Ravi Shastri?
अरे भाई मेरे पास उसका नंबर होता तो मैं अभी इधर वीडियो करने बैठा रहता क्या?
Many, but the other day you were telling no, and then today this happened.
What I was telling.
You were worried, no, that India will be facing
हाँ
swing bowling in England.
हाँ
Now Ravi
हाँ
Shastri
हाँ
has
हाँ.
come up with these three new methods. So did you speak to him? Or is he watching
See
our
what
video?
is he?
Is he?
See, Ravi Shastri might also be watching our videos. So what are you guys doing? Please watch our videos, like us on Facebook, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on Instagram. Sports Addiction is the name. Follow us on,
Subscribe
subscribe
to
to us
YouTube.
on YouTube. Promotion कर दिया, खत्म हो गया एकदम,
Huh.
खत्म हो गया. But you are right, Tisha. I am surprised because I was really worried. See now, Indian team is in quarantine and they
Correct.
will be in either hard or soft quarantine till 12th of June when they will
Correct.
be in Southampton. And then the World Test Championship final is starting on 18th of June. So there's hardly any time, maybe 1 week to prepare for the World Test Championship final against New Zealand. So we were discussing in a video that how will India prepare themselves in English conditions, for English conditions, without hardly any practice. But now Ravi Shastri has come up with three very good plans which will help India tackle the English conditions. The first plan, which I would like to put out, is that usually the pitch is 22 yards. Even the practice pitches are 22 yards. Now, reportedly, this has been reported that Ravi Shastri is planning to reduce the length of the pitch from 22 yards to 16 yards. And now, while practice, the players always use robo arm. There's a ball thrower. The robo arm basically is kind of a stick, and there's a ball holder. You all might have seen at the start of that robo arm, and it helps to throw the ball at a very good pace without affecting the thrower. Like the thrower need not be too fast himself, but because of this method, this aid, the ball travels very fast. Now, if you throw the ball from 22 yards, the pace at which it will reach the batter, and if you travel from throw it from 16 yards, it will be much more. So what this will do is that it will help the batters to tackle the pace because it will come quicker. And now in England, you need to face quick deliveries too. Along with swing, you need to face quicker deliveries. And this robo arm from 16 yards will help India prepare for that. What do you think?
Absolutely. I think it's a good plan. And the second method is also pretty interesting. So the second method is he's going to get pre-shined balls in the nets and will be figuring out ways to make the shiny side heavier. This will help the batsman to get their decision making when it comes to playing reverse swing. So, if you don't mind, Orko, can I just go a little in details in this?
See, you know that I love Professor Kane. You know that.
Yeah, of course, of
Now,
course.
Professor Trisha, the whole quote, whole video, everything is yours. Take over. Take it over.
Thank you so much. So, see, shining a cricket ball is obviously helps in the, as we know, that it helps in swing bowling. As simple as that. Now, how does it help? So, what happens? We all know one player shines the ball. Now, when one side is shinier and the other one is rough, it's the air which starts to move differently along the two different surfaces. Obviously, this is a new ball, it's not shiny or anything. This is just a dummy ball basically. But what I'm trying to tell you is, suppose if I suppose that one side is shiny and this side is rough, so the wind will play differently, and once the air starts playing differently in both the sides, that defines that the swing will be on the shiny side, which is known as we call it the conventional swing, right? Now what happens? Now you are continuously, using, now saliva is, saliva cannot be used, but you can still use sweat. So you are using sweat. Yeah, remember sweat, not sandpaper, okay? So you are using sweat, and when you're continuously using sweat on one side, because of the pores, or in the because of the porous surface, the sweat is entering the one side of the ball, and it starts becoming heavier. Now when it
Hmm.
becomes heavier, automatically the ball will swing towards that, right? Towards
Hmm.
that side,
Hmm.
and that is known
Hmm.
as the great art of reverse swing. And that is why reverse Shastri, I was about to say, not reverse Shastri, Ravi Shastri is trying to counter, or is ensuring that the Indian players are ready to counter, because obviously reverse swing in England conditions means it will swing very late. That is also there, and if
Hmm.
it swings late, the problem is your decision making is hampered, because
Hmm.
obviously you are playing for a particular line. Even when you
Hmm.
know it's swinging, you are playing for a particular
Hmm.
line. At the last moment, if it, instead of going out, if the ball comes in, high chance of
Hmm.
getting your inside edge or outside edge. And that's why
Okay.
Ravi is planning this.
So basically, the balls will arrive at the net. It will be pre-shined. Once what
One
Ravi
side will
Shastri
be
said,
rough
one
and
side
one
will
side
be
will be,
pre-shined.
yeah. So I
Pre-shined,
think
and
what
he's
he,
also planning it to be heavy one side. So he basically
no,
is
he said
bringing a.
he will take pre-shine. No, what he has said is he will give pre-shined balls,
Hmm.
and then they will keep shining it like they would do in the ground,
Okay.
and make
Okay.
one side of it heavy.
Make. Okay. So
So what I
basically,
think he will do is,
hmm,
from
hmm,
probably
hmm,
from the domestic games or wherever he can obtain,
hmm,
he will take
hmm,
used balls, a certain over, say
hmm,
for 15 overs,
hmm,
a ball which has
hmm,
been used for 15 overs, 20 overs, 25 overs. These kind of
hmm,
balls he will pick and take, and then
hmm,
they will put sweat, and
hmm,
every time you put sweat, from then on
hmm.
it starts getting heavier.
Ah. So, one more thing, viewers. In
Yeah.
England, they play with the Duke ball. Is it true that Duke ball swings more than any other cricket ball, right?
Yes.
So, this is a very, very important method. Yeah, India must have also acquired some Duke balls also to practice. And
Definitely they'll do
even
that.
if they, yeah, and they will do that before the final also. The third most important thing, Krisha, in life, I will become a
I
Gyani
think they
Baba.
will
In
use some
life,
balls from Duke balls from county cricket. A few, because
mm,
county championship is
correct,
going on, they might take some used balls from there.
correct. See, we know everything. You will get any kind of information in our live shows. So the third, I'll go to the third point, but before that, I want to give you a gyan. That is, in life, you need to know the art of believing. You need to believe in yourself to grow in your life. And in
Although
England,
I can see a role reversal here. I'm the mental conditioning coach. Why are you giving this art of believing to me? Yeah,
but
tell
in
me.
England, if you
Yeah.
are a batter and you need to succeed, what do you need to do? The art of leaving. You need to know how to leave balls. डोंट प्ले विद लालच बुरी बला है फुल पिच बॉल होगा तो मार देगा वैसा मत करना ऑफ साइड के बाहर बॉल छोड़ो 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 बॉल को लीव करो seriously I'm saying you need to know the art of leaving you because again I said this point also that because these players have played so much of shorter formats they are not accustomed to leaving balls outside of stump basically or maybe bouncers so now the third plan is to force these players to uh,
Leave
and
more
put them
balls,
in a
right?
situation to leave more balls. That's a great tactics. Ravi Shastri must be a great tactician.
He is. But before I go to Ravi Shastri, because I have a point to make about Ravi Shastri, I have too many points to make. I know, viewers, please stay with us. But one thing about this art of leaving, it is not. I mean, for the I'm risking sounding a little weird or whatever, but then I think art of living is part of Test cricket. Be it India, be it outside India, you have to know which balls to pick and choose. That is what the red ball is about. So I honestly think it's more a mental thing than something that you need to practice, because at times if mentally you feel, because you might mentally go into a defensive zone, and that is
But
something that
I have one question. But
yeah,
if, for example, there are two situations in India, because after a certain point of time the ball doesn't swing much, you can hit
correct.
through the line. Whereas in England there will be late swing always. So does the art of living become more vital in England than in India? Because in India, if there's a full pitched ball, there's hardly any chance after 20 overs that it will swing. So if you play through the line, if you get behind the ball, you know that the ball might not deviate at the end moment. So you can play a cover drive. But in England, you might get into problem with 3 or 4 slips in the slip corner.
Absolutely, but that's what I'm saying. No, but that comes with Test cricket, and again,
Hmm.
it's the
Hmm.
same thing. Art of living and art of choosing balls is the same thing. I mean, it's interrelated. And
Hmm.
as I said, my only concern is because we are talking so much about living the, like, art of living and living the ball.
Hmm.
You should not miss out on opportunities. Is what I'm saying. You cannot
Hmm.
completely be on the
Correct.
back foot, because
Hmm.
yes, 250 to 300 might be enough, but you still need to score those 250 to 300
Hmm.
runs.
Hmm.
And you're not going to get to 250 to 300 if you leave every single ball. So that may not
Everyone.
be your
Yeah.
only option, is what I'm
Correct.
saying. And about Ravi
Hmm.
Shastri, if you remember, Orgo, just before the Australia series, I'm sure you have heard this Bharat Arun interview where he had clearly mentioned that before the Australia series, during the lockdown last year, Ravi Shastri called Bharat Arun and said that we want to block the leg side for the Australians. Did he
Hmm.
say, yeah,
Hmm.
leg side, right? I didn't
Hmm.
get it wrong. Yeah,
Hmm.
leg side.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
he said, look at the way Wagner has bowled to Smith. That is the
Hmm.
line we want, and let him
Correct.
score centuries. But he has to take
Hmm.
400 balls to score the same amount of runs, and that is where they
Hmm.
frustrated someone like Steve Smith,
Hmm.
Labuschagne, and that also is one of the reasons we get success. Then his tactical move of getting Washi in, sending Rishabh
Hmm.
Pant up. So yes, he is a. I also heard this in one of the Bharat Arun interviews that he's a very keen observer of the game. Now see,
Hmm.
I see it two ways. These three things might what, nothing will guarantee success, but you
Hmm.
have to be proactive. From these three things,
Correct.
what I felt good about is that the Indian team head coach is taking proactive steps. Whether it will be
Correct.
successful, whether they are the best steps possible or not, comes later on. The point is he's
Nobody.
taking steps, and he's not waiting
Hmm.
that okay, we'll reach England and
Hmm.
then we will find see what's
Hmm.
working, what's not working.
Figure. Correct.
So that shows how good a tactician Shastri is.
Correct. You need to be smart, because if there's no option for too much practice, you can't do anything in this COVID world.
Correct.
You can't complain. The cricket
Correct.
you are getting to play, you just can't complain that now because of quarantine and all that it has messed up everything. You can't now complain that we need a practice match. So things have fallen out of place, but you need to be smart and formulate ideas to still tackle the situation.
Absolutely. And much like Ravi Shastri needed to take uh, give this pointers or think of this training methods, Orga and I also get together and think of what we can discuss so that you guys like it, so that you guys get more, we can help you guys get a little bit of perspective. And all you guys need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow us, you can follow Sports Addiction, you can follow both. It's the same thing. And please join in, send in your comments, tell us what more do you want to know, and if you have any doubts about something we are explaining or you think otherwise, then just write it down, and Orga and I will be happy to talk about it. Correct? So
Definitely.
we will be back tomorrow again, Orgo. You're not going to sleep because it's Sunday.
It depends on the rain and the weather outside. I can't guarantee anything.
But as of now, the weather is good. And so, hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. Bye.